Section A. Name any two well-known works of the great poet Kalidasa. Question number 2. Why was the Indus plain known as the breadbasket of ancient India? Third question. Why did Babur invade India? Fourth question. What was referred to as glasnost and perestroika introduced by Gorbachev in Russia? Fifth question. Explain the burial practices of the Harappans. Or examine the progress made in science and technology during the Gupta period. Sixth question. According to Alauddin Khilji, what were the four main reasons for frequent rebellions? Or examine the contribution of Iltutmish in giving shape to administrative institutions of the Delhi Sultanate. Seventh question. When and by whom was the Regulating Act passed? Examine the administrative changes brought about by this act. Or who was Ishwara Chandra Vidyasagar? What were his main achievements? Question number 8. Examine the features of Rowlatt Satyagraha launched by Gandhiji in 1919. Or examine the basic concerns of the Indian National Congress and early nationalists. Ninth question. Explain how colonialism and capitalist penetration altered the social and economic relation in the colonies. Or how was the First World War different from previous wars in history? 10th question. Explain any four factors responsible for the growth of Cold War. Or what is referred to as urbanization. Explain any two factors responsible for urbanization. 11th question. How did Japan emerge as an imperialist power? Explain. Or why was the North Atlantic Treaty Organization set up in 1949? What were its main terms? Question number 12. Explain the changes that took place in the later Vedic period economy, or explain the causes of the decline of the Gupta Empire. 13. Describe the different phases of Aurangzeb's policy towards the Deccan, or describe the main features of Balban's policy of consolidation. Question number 14. Describe the main features of the second phase of British colonialism in India, or explain the significance of the revolt of 1857. Question number 15. How did the colonial conquest of India generate cultural nationalism? Or how did the events during and after the Second World War accelerate the process of Indian independence? Question. On the given outline map of India, mark the following. First one, Bersahom, Lothal. Second one, extent of Akbar's empire, Malwa, Allahabad. Third one, Pondicherry. Fourth one, Dandi. Continuation of the map question. Fifth one, Padaliputra or Mahabalipuram. Next B. On the outline map of Europe, locate any state that emerged as an independent state after the First World War. Following questions are for the visually impaired candidates only. A part, first question, name one Neolithic site and one important place of Harappan civilization. Second one, by whom and at which place was Taj Mahal built? Mention any one important feature of this monument. Third one, name the place where the revolt of 1857 started. Fourth one, from where did the Salt March start in 1930? Fifth one, name the capital city of Magadha. Or which state of India is well known for Kalamkari textile? B part, Name any state of Europe which emerged as an independent state after the First World War. Section B, option 1, evolution of state. Question number 17, distinguish between the two types of Mahajanapadas, or what were the major objectives of Alauddin Khalji's economic reforms? Question number 18, examine the main features of the provincial administration of the Delhi Sultanate, or explain the main objectives of British colonial rule in India. Option 2, culture in India. Question number 17, what is mean by globalization? Explain its effect on culture, or our culture is often shaped through a process of interaction. Explain this statement with 4 examples. Final question, question number 18. How is culture communicated? Explain, or trace the development of the art of painting in ancient and medieval India.